teaching you how to make a paper iPhone 11 Pro
The thing is that
going
Sam
from the
didn't
lock
shoot at his
screen
real self.
to
He
the
shot
home
his
screen.
reflection in the mirror.
So it's pretty easy. So let's get into the video.
Can you manage this one in 5?
So all you need is big piece of paper, a pencil, and some scissors. But I'll be back with the scissors. So guys, and now I have the scissors. So
a man is accused of killing his
all
wife. His
gotta do
lawyer, in his
first
final statement, declares that the
is
wife of the man, in fact,
that you
hasn't been
need
killed,
to
and
outline
will enter
your
the
thing. So
courtroom in a
I'll
minute.
get in. So guys, here's what you need. You need big white piece of paper or a normal white piece of paper, pencil, any pencil, doesn't have to be HB or 2B, and some scissors. So the first step is that you draw your outline. So yeah, I'm gonna draw the outline. So oh, sorry guys, it's not gonna be long, but you just draw the outline. It can be any size that you want, but I'm making it a specific size. As you can see, there's a big line over there. Just leave that, that would be fine. Now, all you need to do is cut it. So I will actually just cut that. So guys, I've got my rectangular sized phone. It can be any size, so I just made it pretty small for no reason. So what you need to do is make the line right there. That is normally where the home button would be, but on iPhone 11 Pros they don't have home buttons. They have these things. So you do that. And what you do next is that you do the time. So you can be any time. I'm gonna do it as the current time of today. Just let me know. I'm gonna do it as the current time, 1:50. I'm gonna do it as the current time. So I know. Sorry guys. 1:50. That's because that's the time I'm making this phone. 1:50. You can make it in 24-hour clock. I'm not making it in 24-hour clock. So 1:50. Here we go. The time 1:50. Now what you do next? Oh, sorry, it's pretty blurry. Okay. So what you do next is that you do your battery. You do your battery. Okay. And then you do your Wi-Fi bars. There you go. And then you do the date. So the date I'm recording this on in Australia is actually January the 2nd. That's what I put on mine, which I actually made yesterday. So it is Thursday. Jan. 2nd of Jan. There we go. And it says Thursday the 2nd of January. Now you can put whatever you want there. So that's your lock screen done. But if you want, since it's going to be in the lock screen, you can turn it over, then you do the Apple logo and the 3 cameras. So that's what I'm going to do here. Pretty bad at making Apple logo, guys. So if you're a good Apple logo maker, please teach me. So then sorry, my hand might be in the way. I'm very sorry about that. So if you ever want to make one of these, just watch this video until the end. So keep on watching until the end so that you know how to make these iPhone 11s. So yeah, we're almost done. So then your phone in the back should look that, but do your camera way better than mine because it looks so bad. Now that is your lock screen done. Because you can pull it, because you can hold it like this and then you switch it around. But that's not it. If you can put a passcode screen if you want, or you can just do the unlock part of Face ID. Sorry that I'm confusing you right now about me saying that we're done, but we're not actually done with the screen, the lock screen. So, yes. Now we are actually done with the lock screen. So let's put that lock screen aside and let's do this. Now guys, I've actually cut out my paper for the home screen now, and I've actually changed up this and put that there. So, yep. So now what you want to do is that you obviously want to do that thing I just added in first. You want to do it there. Do it as long the speaker and then your front camera like that. So what you do next is that you do the apps that you want. So I'll get into that. And so guys, I have done all the apps there, as you can see. Now the thing at the bottom there is top apps and then recently used apps. So now you need to put in the battery thing on top and the Wi-Fi thing. So I will do that very quickly. And so guys, that is actually your phone done. Now all you do is basically the app logo on the back and that camera again. So yep, I'll get you back in that clip. And guys, that is your phone done. So now what you do is that since you have the screen lock here, you can make them the same size, so you put your screen lock there, as you can see. So pretend you're turning it on, then you do your Face ID and turn it on. And then you have your home screen. Now, my home screen is smaller than my box screen for some reason, but you can make it the same size. So, bye.